Hi guys, Dave Hall here, Restore a Muscle Car out of Lincoln, Nebraska. We have a 1970, it's a 70 and a half Trans Am. This is the first year for this body style. This is a Ram Air 3 400 automatic car that we did a nut and bolt frame off restoration on it over 10 years ago. We did this for a customer of ours from down south, for David, and he's had it for that long, ever since it's been done. We did quite a bit of work. Trans Am's got Ride Tech suspension, Dakota digital gauges, cold case radiator, March Foley system. It's a built Ram Air 3 motor with a automatic transmission. It's got the blue deluxe interior, custom billet, two-piece, 18-inch wheels. I believe they're 9-inch all the way around. And we also upgraded to the new Sylvania LED headlights on this car as well. Just a really sweet car. This car is actually now going to a good customer of ours, Lou, up in Canada, and it's getting ready to ship out. So we just wanted to kind of feature this car and kind of let you guys know that, you know, we restore a lot of cars for people. A lot of times it doesn't get to see them, and especially in person. And a lot of times the customers don't get to come up, but David actually, when we were building this car, came to our shop several times. He's a hunter and liked to come up in our neck of the woods and get to see everything we had going on with this car when we built this for him over 10 years ago. Anyway, Dylan's going to do a sweep of the car, the footage. It's got the red oxide underneath, and you guys can see all the really cool features and the Dakota digital gauges on the dash. They have a blue backlight with our logo. Just a really neat touch for the interior, but the car is a great running, driving, super fun, fast car that we did a long time ago, and it's great to see it still in such great condition, and it's going to be sad to see it leave. Thanks, guys.